guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our Ipsy Glam Bag X unboxing. This one is for the month of May, and this month they teamed up with Khloe Kardashian to curate the box. The last one we got, which was the very first one, was Patrick Ta. So far pretty cool collaborators on these boxes. I don't want to share the front because they put my shipping label there, but here's what the box kind of looks like. So it's a larger box, of course. And then in these you get this cool pamphlet. It looks like kind of like a newspaper. And you can see they have Khloe there this time. And this will have all the info for your products and some additional information. Now, the first thing that I got is by Herbivore. It's their Prism AHA and BHA Exfoliating Glow Facial. And it has a really cool packaging to it. And I personally haven't tried anything by Herbivore, but I have heard of them, so I'm excited to give that a try. And it says in here that it retails for $58. It says this at-home treatment is the answer to a pro facial level glow at home. Leave it on for 20 minutes, let the AHAs and BHAs work their smoothing, softening, and skin clearing magic. And Khloe said she loves it because after a long day of shooting in glam, it saves her skin from breakouts. Then I got this makeup bag by Ipsy. It has little rose gold zippers, just a plain little travel case for your makeup. It has this cute floral print on the inside. It says that makeup case retails for $18. It says designed by Khloe to match her favorite flower. This fits everything you need for a day trip or a long getaway. And then I have by Kopari their CBD Recovery Balm. And there's the little packaging. A cute container. And for that one, it says rub this soothing CBD balm anywhere on your body, from your neck to your toes, to help relieve tension and stress. It's $45. That's something cool and different to get in here. I haven't gotten anything like that before, at least that I remember. And then we have by Anastasia Beverly Hills their Modern Renaissance palette. I was excited about this because this is one of the Anastasia palettes I don't have. Here's the actual palette. It's that nice velvet finish that we know from Anastasia. Very pretty palette. It does come with the brush. Mine just fell out. Dual-ended brush they always include in there. It says, the range of neutrals to berries and matte and metallic finishes all have Khloe's stamp of approval, but you don't need to be a pro to use them. They're easy to blend and highly pigmented. And Khloe said she loved it because these pink shades are so major. I love how feminine they make me feel. Retails for $45. Then we have by 111 Skin their Rose Gold Radiance Booster. What that looks like. Pretty rose gold bottle. And for that it says, this is Khloe's secret weapon for skin that looks lit from within. It contains rose water and niacinamide to brighten skin, hydrating hyaluronic acid to plump, and light reflecting gold to instantly illuminate your complexion. Retails for $135. $135? Really? I expect that to be some good stuff then. So it says, she said she loves it because this looks so fab on my bathroom counter and even better on my skin. Yeah, that is a pretty packaging, so I can give it that. But I'm not going to pay that price just for some packaging. So hopefully it actually does what it says. And then we have by Tower 28 their Milky Lip Jelly in the shade Coconut. I've heard a lot about this brand on social media, but I've never tried it, so I was excited to get this. And it is a pretty shade, especially for spring. Let's see how this works. It's like a lip gloss, or yeah, so it's like a nice milky lip gloss. So the name is what it is. Here it is. It has some pigment, but it's kind of sheer too. Something right up my alley though. It says this vegan, cruelty-free, and dermatological tested gloss is made with plant-based ingredients like apricot oil and raspberry seed oil to nourish dry lips and give them a glossy finish without feeling sticky. Retails for $14. That's not too bad at all. and she loves it because this gloss lives in my purse for easy touch-ups over whatever lip I'm wearing. Yeah, that's a good thing about glosses. If you have any other lipstick on, you could really just throw one on and make it look a little better and give you that juicy, hydrated feel. Then we have by Olaplex their Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment. Says it's number 0. It primes, repairs, strengthens, and protects all hair types. And I haven't tried anything from this brand before. I don't believe so. I'll have to do some research in it and see if it's sulfate and paraben free. Let's see if it says. Well, the ingredients are pretty short. It says water, bis-aminopropyl. Not even going to try to say the words, but I don't see sulfate or parabens in there, so I'm guessing it is, so I should be okay to use it. So beloved by hair pros, this at-home treatment rebuilds broken bonds to give strands their strength back. And it retails for $28. Then our very last item is another Anastasia Beverly Hills product. It's their brow pen. Got mine in the shade Blonde. I haven't tried this either, so that's really cool to get to try this. I haven't tried brow pens at all yet, really, if it's what I think it is. It's one of those that look kind of like eyeliner. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Let's do a quick swatch. Ooh, I don't know if that color will work for me, but I'll try it. It's a pretty light color. Definitely give it a go and see. Here's what the little packaging looks like. Since for that one, bold brows are a Chloe signature, and this pen makes it easy. The superfine tip helps create realistic looking brow hairs, so you can add detail, definition, and dimension to your arches. Retails for $22, and she says, I pretend like I'm drawing on little hairs, and my brows are perfected in no time. Yeah, I'll definitely give it a try. I've never used that type of product, and that color is kind of light for me, but maybe I can finagle it with some other things with a brow pencil as well and make it work. But that's all we got, guys, in this Glam Bag X. This one's for the month of May. I really like these. I feel like we get more high-end items in this than any other subscription that I subscribe to, which I do, you know, the BoxyCharm, all 3 types of those, and the FabFitFun, and this is has become my favorite so far. I'll have a link below if you're interested in signing up for it. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.